So this is my room at Mezzo Hotel. Very nice. Very straightforward, very simple, but everything you need is here. Look at that. So, first, you got this counter for your stuff. There's my bag. That's my key card. Plenty of space for your stuff. You got a mini fridge. Nice. You get a kettle with your coffee, tea, and sugar and creamer. You get 2 cups, 2 glasses, and 2 service water. You get a big TV and plenty of space to do your thing. So since this is a business hotel, perfect kayo ang working chair and a desk. Okay, mag-laptop ta later on. Amazing, nice kaya nga setup. Look at that. And look at the bed. We got a double bed. Double mong gulo na siyang size. Very comfortable looking. Usara ang bedside table. Nice report. We got the channel list over here. We got the remote control for the TV and the smart TV. Sakto ba na? Cable siguro. And then we got a phone. Plenty of socket para sa charging. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Hair dryer over here. So let's check out the cupboard. Oh, more light siya with sensor. Very nice. We got hangers. We got a safety deposit box. What is this? Oh, emergency stuff. How do we open this? You need to break this in case of emergency. So mura siya mask. Very nice, diba? It's glass. You have to break it in case of emergency. Here we got slippers and fire extinguisher. So automatic malight siya, sensor. And check out the bathroom, guys. Very simple, but very nice. And a free toilet needs. What is this? Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. We got the overhead rain shower. We got the toilet over here with all the essentials. We got the shower cap, vanity kit. We got razor, toothbrush, soap, and body lotion. We got the sink, the wash basin over here, and we got a nice bathtub. So unlike other hotels, medyo kinang scary yung bathtub since it's not ceramic. This one looks really clean and really sturdy, you know? It's ceramic. Very nice. Over here, we got a nice view of what's that road? Going to Panagdait. So we got the Chiva Spa over there, the Jeju, Samgyupsal. We got the Icon Bar over there. Club Day. So if you want to party, it's very close to Icon. So if you're traveling for business or leisure or both, perfect yung kaya ang business hotel na Mezzo Hotel. And take a look at the view of Cebu Business Park and Cebu IT Park. Grabe ka-dense ang buildings. In short, this is close to the heart of Cebu. So walking distance padung sa Ayala, walking distance if you can padung sa SM, padung sa mga bars, padung sa rows of cafes, naidool nga church, naidool nga schools, naidool nga everything. May shopping centers over there, may groceries nearby. So napay landers just a few blocks away. So perfect yung kayo diri sa Mezzo Hotel. Alright.